Hello, this is Imran Shubuj. Welcome you all to watching my video. Today just I am going to share some experience how to select a perfect lubrication oil for your motorcycle, most favorite and most choosy motorcycle. You know that motorcycle engine oil have an special features. One engine oil meet up three requirements. Work as a three types of lubrication. Just like it is work as a lubrication engine oil, it's work as a class oil, it's work as a gear oil. So that's why it is called ECG oil. Now you go through your product manual of your motorcycle where you find a grade, SAE grade. Is it 20W40, 20W50, 10W30 or 10W40, whatever it is. Choose one grade which indicates in your product manual. So which can help you find a fluid fluctuation grade. And another grade, API grade, is also important. Check that which API grade was mentioned in your product catalog. Is it SM or XL? Which API grade indicates which year your motorcycle engine was manufacturing. And another important thing is just a frictional test. Is it MA or it indicates MA or it indicates MB? If it is MA for a general motorcycle, it can be okay. If you use scooter, then where mention is MB. Please check your product manual and hope this video will help you. Thank you to watching this video.